Here is my response for this question. The question is asking the population of Norsum, the largest city in Transylvania, is 50% of the rest of the population of Transylvania. So that is what a little pie graph will always help to answer the question. So I have a pie graph here. Now this one is the Norson. This Norson is the city, and this Norson is the population of this is 50% of the population of the rest of the country. To understand this better, I'm going to make the little drawing, divide this pie graph like this, and you can see is this one is what is happening here. The pie graph is this, and you can see the Northern population is 50% of rest of the country. So Northern is one part and the rest of the country has two parts. So obviously Northern is 1/3 of the entire country's population. So that is how the Northern's population is defined. So the Northern is 1/3 of the entire country population. So it is going to be 1/3 of the entire country population, and 1/3 means it is point 0. Let me use my pen. It is 0.333. So which is 33 and 1/3%, and that is the answer. To see this, the Northern's population, I'm going to show you here the animation. See that the Northern population is 1/3 of the entire country population. Otherwise, as the question says, yes, it is 50% of the rest of the country, because you can see the three parts I can make. So this is one part and the other two parts of this. So my answer is D. That is one way. So the other explanation, I also have a written explanation, which is going to be this one, and let me hide this pie graph and let me move my typed response like this one. You can see that this is by using algebra. So I assume, let us say n is equal the population of Northern and T the population of the entire country, then T minus 1 is the population of the rest of the country. This is the entire country, and N is the population of Northern. So T minus 1 N is the population of the rest of the country. The question says N, the population of the Northern, is 50% of rest of the country, which is T minus N, and it can be further simplified as N is equal to 1/2 of Tn minus T minus N. If I simplify, cross multiply this, you can see it here. If I cross multiply this by this, we get 2n. 2n equals to T minus N. Further, if I take this N on the same side, so that will become the negative sign. When N is taken to the other side of the equal sign, it becomes positive. So that gives me 3n is equal to T. Remember, T is the population of the entire country. So 3n equals to T, Therefore, n is equal to one third of the entire population, which is 33%. I hope you understand and the question and its solution.